Hello, welcome to the Insight Labs Looker Studio tutorials. I'm Erol and I help marketers make better decisions using data. In this video, we will talk about heat maps. I prepared three cases for you and I'll walk you through uh, one by one. First, let's start with a table with heat map option. In here, we have one dimension. It might be in it lots of things. I picked session source mediums, and you can add your metrics. I picked session key events, session key event rate, total revenue, and revenue per session. Then we are using the heat map functionality in Looker Studio to create those heat maps. So you can find these table with heat map tables in this section. You can edit as a chart, or you can change the chart type anytime. Then you can move to your metrics and select your heat map color. I can turn it into red, green, yellow, whatever suits you. If you want to change these heat map to appear as numbers, you can do so. If you want to turn them into bar charts, again, you can do so here. But since it is a heat map lecture here, let's keep it consistent. One thing that I want to talk about this table is that I added this revenue per session field. It's not a default metric. You just need to calculate it. Previously, we discussed about how to add calculated metrics. And here I can add this calculated metric to my table only. I'm doing this, of course, by dividing total revenue to session counts. So that in here, by highlighting it with the colors, we can easily find out that which source medium brought those high value sessions. For example, this newsletter November email was a valuable one. Or maybe, for example, Baidu is not that, helpful for this company. In this case, Google Merge Store. That was the first case. And the second case is pivot table with heat map. In the first table, we had only one dimension, source and medium. What if we have two dimensions and we want to highlight their colors? Then we can use pivot tables. Here, I wanted to show you the conversion rates, purchase rates by hour and by day. So in rows, I have the hours of the day, and in columns, I have the days. So that in the metrics, I have conversion rate. You can add session counts, purchase rates, whatever that you are trying to analyze. And then once you use heat map with this, you can easily distinguish in what time of the day you are getting the highest conversions. When is the visitors are more likely to convert. For example, during the nighttime, of course, they were sleeping, and those who visit the website are not that conversion focused visitors. But as soon as it becomes morning for this store's hours, the conversion rates started to increase, and around noon we have the highest conversion sessions. See, so you can find out these type of insights quickly. Then it can alter your paid ad strategy. For example, you may want to spend during the day hours rather than the nighttime, or vice versa. Maybe our visitors are converting at the nighttime, so it can really help you. To do that, of course, how to do it? So you can add hour to row and day of the week to the column. And then you can pick your metric, in this case, purchase conversion rate. And then you can sort by hour. Otherwise, it can sort it by the conversion rate, and it can generate a very, very confusing table for you. And you can sort the columns by the day. So you can descending, ascending, select it the way that you like. I picked ascending for both hour and day of the week. And let's move to the third case. In this third case, we have maps. And in this map, we do see total session count by countries. Of course, US is dominating the view here. Let's exclude the US and we can, see more countries with colors. So I previously prepared this exclude the US filter. To add those filters, you can give them a name and select the condition that you want to use. In this case, you can pick include or exclude. Let's say that you want to only analyze Canada, for example, you can include country equals Canada. In my case, I just wanted to eliminate United States. So once I did it, it just excludes United States from the table, and it gives us much more colorful table here. You see, if we exclude US, Canada and India becomes the most session generating countries for us. So I have sessions and country, region, and city. So let's pick Canada, and then let's drill down from country level to region level. Here we do see the Canada states. So Northwest, British Columbia, Ontario. Ontario is the highest session generator for us. Unfortunately, we can't dive into the city level for Canada. The region state is the highest, is the deepest that we can go. Let's pick India and see. So these are all the Indian regions that send traffic to Google Analytics, Google's merchandise store. Let's include the United States once more, because now I want to show you the city level as well. I just remove the filter, and the data, our map is filtered accordingly. Let's click on the United States and then drill down to the region level. Then we can click on these regions and then dive into the city. We know that Google's headquarters is in Silicon Valley, Mountain View. Thus, it doesn't surprise us to seeing the highest sessions are coming from Mountain View or nearby cities like Sunnyvale, San Jose, Santa Clara, Cupertino, etc. So this is in a nutshell how you can use heat maps with your Looker Studio tables, pivot tables, and maps. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like it. If you want to learn more about Looker Studio, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you're a data-driven marketer who wants to be better, consider subscribing to my newsletter, where I share insights in a bi-weekly cadence. See you in the next video.